What's going on, people? Welcome to GFX Kapture. In today's Fast Friday, I'm going to show you a couple of websites where you can download content for free. Yes, I mean it, free. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Mixkit. This website, it has a lot of content and a lot of good stuff. You have templates for Premiere Pro, you have templates for After Effects, Final Cut, etc, etc. You have different things like openers, callouts, lower thirds, slideshows, titles. If you're doing it for YouTube, for example, I'll give you just an example. Go into Premiere Pro and go to YouTube, and there you have it. You have the openers, you have the like and subscribe buttons. You can customize this as well. The other website is called Production Crate. Now with this website, you can sign up for free and you can download up to 5 items daily for free. After that, of course, you need to go to a paid account and you can actually download the rest of the content if you need. Again, it has content for Premiere Pro, After Effects, and so on and so forth, YouTube, lower thirds, and all that sort of things. I will give the description of all of these and the website URLs in the description in the video, so you can go and have a look. The third one is a website called Pixabay. With this website, you can download images, royalty-free images, and stock videos. It is a very good website. It has a lot of content, and again, as I said, it is for free. The last one I want to talk about today is a website called Pexels. Now, in here, you also have stock images, stock photos, and videos, etc, etc. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like it as well. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.